Hello and welcome back. My name is Cara Brandon and I am working on a winter journal using my Song of Winter digital kit, which you can see the link below to my Etsy shop. Today I want to work on my cover and I have a couple things here and I kind of think I might do something like this. And then put this on top. And then I'm going to make this so that it's like a little pocket for the smaller tags. And then I'm going to add that ephemera piece right there. So what I want to do first is go to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch this on. And I'm going to stitch this on. And then I'll probably stitch, you know, and I'm going to faux stitch. So I'm going to stitch this one so it looks like I did stitch it on, but I want it to be stitched all stitch, stitch, stitch. How many times can I say it? I'm going to do some stitching around it, and then I will just glue this on. All right, so I'm going to do that and I will be right back. All right, I'm back and I did my stitching on the tag. Oh goodness, look what I did. I did it upside down. Well, I guess it's gonna be like this then. Oops. Oh my goodness. Oh well. Oh well. All right. That is what it is. Yeah. Oh well. All right. So that still works. My goodness. Well, yeah. And then my circle, you can tell I didn't stitch perfectly, but I think it'll be okay. And then in here, there's stitching. I'm okay with that. But if that's something you don't like, you could always make a pocket or do this part and then attach your inside fabric so you don't see the stitching. All right, well, there we go. I'm gonna go with it. That's funny that I didn't notice. I think it's probably because I was so focused. My sewing machine had an error message, so I was trying to figure out the error message, and so I think once it started working, I didn't double check the direction. Oh well, it'll still be good. So I'm just gonna do glue on 3 sides of this tag so that it also becomes a pocket. Like that. Threads everywhere. All right, and then we'll have our 2 smaller tags that go right like that. I'm gonna glue this piece of ephemera on. Maybe my glue. Whoops. It's either all or nothing with my glue. All right, you know what do I want? I think I do. Before I get that glued on, I want to attach something. I think I'm going to use my favorite fabric. Take a piece of that. Oh my gosh, if I was thinking, I would have stitched this on also before I... All right, we're just gonna glue it. I think it'll be okay. Excuse me, I keep coughing. Come on, glue. And then we're going to glue this. Maybe. Come on, glue. There we go. Alright. And I want to add some lace or ribbon to my smaller tags. Let's see what we have. I think I'm going to do this dark blue lace. I want it like this. Or like, yeah, I think I want to do that. Yeah, okay, I'm going to stitch these on since I'm thinking about it. Be right back again. All right, I did my stitching around the small tags and they go right in there. And then when I was done stitching, I thought, well, this looks a little bare. So I went in my stash and I have one of these Tim Holtz safety pins. And then I also found these owls that I thought would be awesome for this journal. So I might make a tassel with these. And the reason I was thinking owls is I purchased my very first Creative Studio box. And I wanted to use some of these things in the journal. And there's a bunch of owls and owl stamps and owl cards. So I thought, ooh, owls would be perfect for a tassel or to dangle off this safety pin. There's the word. So I have a couple things. And then I also found this piece of blue ephemera that's a circle from Tim Holtz. And I think I might just hang that off and then use these in the tassel. So I used my, now I won't be able to get it out. All right, we'll just smush it in. I used my 1-inch punch because it was a little too big for the circle. And then now it fits pretty well in there. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of Fabri-Tac and hope that this works. My other cabochons, is that what these are called? Has like a sticky, where you pull off the back, the sticky back, and then it works that way. So I think if I squeeze enough, I'll get all the air bubbles out. Of course, squeeze out the sides and make a mess. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I think that'll look nice dangling off the front. If it's too heavy, we'll see here in a second, if it's too heavy, I can switch it out for an owl. I think I want it to go this way. Well, I guess I should put this on first and then it won't matter. Then the glue on the edges a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I don't think that's too heavy. I think that's fun. Cool. The other thing I was thinking is, should I add some glue here so these don't fall out? But I'm not sure. We'll see. All right. And then we have these for a little tassel thing on the side. So we'll save those for later. But so far, I'm liking the cover. Yeah. I really like that. That's fun. Maybe I do. But I feel like if I stitch it, it might look funny. So, or do I just add a little glue? Well, I'm gonna add a little glue. Just a little bit. Ah, drippy. And there's still plenty of room. Yeah, and that kind of stays down. I like that. That's good. Okay. Pretty good on the cover. I'm loving it.